What's going on, guys? Danny back here with Pro Transmissions over in Athens. Today we're going to walk you through diagnosing a Kia 2017 Kia Optima. Our codes, which I'll link it in there, give it a second. You'll see the code. Here's the code. Our codes today was a P0010 intake camshaft position actuator circuit bank 1. All right, so our first step, of course, was pull codes. We went through. I did go on Identifix to find out, the testing procedure, and it clear as day says what we need to do. So we're going to go to the main harness connector. We first turn the key on. We got to verify voltage on this one. It is on the white wire, so you need to go to a good ground. Hold on one second. Let me get you all ground. 1 second. When you're hooking up a multimeter, you always want to double check and make sure you have a good connection. Because if you don't have a good connection, you're going to get bad readings no matter what you do. So I'm going back, I'm testing. I've got a good connection, 12.13 volts. So key is on. We got to have 12 volts on the white wire right here. Sorry, on the black wire, which we have right at 11.25, which is our battery voltage. You can see it right here. And then on the other wire, we have to have 5 volts, or under 5 volts, which you can see we got 0.587. If correct me if I'm wrong, hold on. I take that back. Sorry, under 0.6 volts. You can see right here. We're supposed to have under 0.6 volts. I was wrong. So we know our integrity from the computer to this main harness right here is good. So the next step, granted, we've already changed this, so we've already repaired this vehicle, but I'm walking you through what our process was. Our next step on here is to ohm out the actuator, which you can see here. I'm going to switch my voltmeter over to ohms, and you can see open line. I have no resistance in there. To prove a point, I'm going to link a picture actually of what this looked like before we cleaned it. Here's the picture. Now you can see on this one right here, if you're looking inside this tab right here, which is what reads off the magnetic field, is further down. This one is up. So we did replace this cover for that reason. Now guys, if you find oil inside this cover, you have a whole nother whirlwind of issues. Luckily for this customer, it was just the cover, but we're going to ohm out the new one just to show you all the difference. So you can see we have resistance in there on this new actuator, and it is actually within spec. So that shows that this actuator itself was bad. The old actuator was bad. So we put the new one on, went through, cleared the codes, ran through the activation. No longer has an issue. Guys, I'll see you on the next one.